We almost lost our lives when she was driving down that slope.
And they want to go for Pilates.
First Pilates class.
Bro, we were actually gonna die.
Should I park here? Yeah. Park there.
No, you're blocking the road, bro.
But there's no other place to park.
And yeah, we were gonna vlog before, but we were on a call. So
he has nothing to say to the camera, so he just keeps saying
drive.
so. Bro, genuinely stop.
I think she's getting pissed.
No, I'm actually so pissed. Sugar.
We're gonna get copyrighted, bro.
Bro, fuck this. I'm not doing Pilates. I'm going home. I don't know where to park.
Park in Maruti Cosmos.
Go inside this apartment and park. You cuckoo. Now I'm blocking the road. Why not? Bro, you're using such bad angles on me that I look so bad.
I look good. Guys, hit me up if you wanna date me.
Bro, I promise you, until he doesn't shave, he looks ass. After he shaves, you can DM him.
We'll do a transition, guys.
Imagine all your school people finding out you saying DM me if you want a date.
I don't care. I don't know. I don't give a fuck.
Okay, I prefer.
Oh my god, there's a dog.
I know, I saw. Moving.
Guys, she was gonna crash her dog.
Bro, Janine, shut the fuck. I was just gonna say I prefer live, laugh, love over your I don't know, I don't care. Bro, I'm sorry, but you know I did a good job today.
Okay, guys, we're gonna walk to Pilates. Catch you back.
In the rain. Don't stop vlogging, bro. You not know how to vlog.
Fine, guys.
No, both of you. Okay, stop. You know I did well here.
Yeah, you did.
I'll understand how well you did.
Good.
Next week after go for a driving class.
You did good. You actually did good.
No, you
actually did good. You actually did good, bro.
I actually got so scared, bro.
No, you actually did good.
Fuck me up.
You actually did good, bro. You did good.
Wait, can you hold this? I'll zip up my jacket.
Dab me up, bro.
Hey,
guys, we're gonna go now.
We're 30 minutes
do you want to do a fit check, bro? This is my fit check. I'm wearing Ons. This hoodie's from Paxson. This is Bhavana.
I'll do my fit check inside. My outfit is
we'll just do a fit check inside.
Okay, we have to run because it's raining. Varsha, it's raining.
Guys, we're on our way to Pilates right now, and we are currently running in the rain.
Shake in my hair, bro.
And same, my hair. We kind of look chopped right now.
Oh, I don't look chopped. Why are you involving me?
This is the road of India, guys. And we're almost here. Look at Bhavana, guys. So we're almost here.
Okay, just to be clear, I was awesome. This was this big ass slope and I drove. I was good.
Yeah, this
and I
big
passed.
Guys, we're here. Pilates. Looks cute. We're going inside right now. Do I vlog inside?
Yeah.
We're going right now. I'm just gonna sit in the lobby while they do their shit. We're here. This is the place. Here.
There's no point in doing it for 20 minutes. We're too late to do the trial class, but this is my fit. Show them my fit.
This is her fit, guys. And this is mine.
That's so embarrassing, Varsha.
Don't stand on the carriage and fall down. This is the class, and we're here.
Okay. We need to go to a Pilates class, but we're like too late, so we couldn't do it. No, we're gonna go to Roastery.
So yeah, guys, but like this is the place. It's actually kind of cute. Like there's a vibe to it, and this is a fit check.
Pilates class. Okay, but about that, I drove all the way here, like rain, traffic, and wrong road stand because
it was the GPS. The GPS is still talking.
It was his fault. It was his fault.
Parking,
it was so
talking.
Bad. Yeah. It was like a big like 30 minutes late. And I was good. I did. Okay, bye. And since we're late, none of us ate anything since morning, so we're gonna go eat food.
Yeah.
If I knew I was going to do Pilates, I would just ate food.
We're gonna grab a quick, like, bite and then we're gonna... What the
Can someone hold my hand? Hey, let me just pull up my...
Guys, this is my fit check. I have just simple shorts. This hoodie's from Paxson and they just left me. It's kind of like slippery. But guys, ons are actually really good. They didn't promote.
Throw them in the water and I'm gonna fall.
I'm just saying it's not sponsored by them. But you can sponsor us if you want.
Okay, wait. Show. No, show. Show our struggles, bro. And guys, I was on this slope. And then I was trying to park, which did not work out. So I parked there. Yeah, this was the first time I drove. It was raining. Bro, we survived.
Ooh, we survived.
I don't even think they want to see you more than us, but okay. Yeah, they want to see us. Come here. I'll give you kissing. Give kissing.
You're supposed to vlog it like that, bro.
So now she has like no angles.
No
Bro, but I look bad in the hood on.
No vlogging experience.
I look bad in the hood on.
I don't care if I look chopped, so I'm just gonna record because they don't wanna show their faces. Okay guys, we're here.
No, stop, no.
We're gonna get into the car now and we're gonna... I'm gonna take the front seat. I just took the front seat.
Guys, this is why you shouldn't have little brothers, because this is what they do. This is what they do.
You should always have a pun within your life.
No, trust me, you don't want a pun within your life. Okay, we play music. The thing is,
Nice.
we recorded a lot of the vlog on Pannu's phone, but he doesn't have storage, so we had to start over.
Yeah guys, I have to buy extra storage, which I will buy for our Singapore vlog. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Oh, I want to be there. We asked her to come, but then she said that she hates
She
us.
prioritizes everything except us, so...
I'm sorry, I prioritized my internship more than Singapore. Even I have an internship, right? Mine's corporate. Okay, what's fortunate? We're gonna go to Obsession tomorrow, probably.
Yeah.
But like, both of us are minors, so we have to see if the letters in.
Huh? No, it started. I know guys, the vlog randomly stopped. Not my fault.
We should have nothing to talk, there's no point of keeping the... No, turn it off for 1 second, we'll figure out...
Okay guys, we're gonna go to Roasty now and we just set the directions.
Pannu told the directions wrong 3 times, so I'm doing it now.
Yeah guys. We don't have a proper stand, so our vlogging might actually be bad this time, but forgive us.
If we end up posting this. So we won't post it. It depends on how many clips we get, but we probably will. What should we name the channel though? Bhavna?
No.
Then?
The Indian siblings.
Hello, and I want to be a part of this.
Yeah, the Indian siblings.
Can we not say Indian siblings, bro?
Fine.
Oh fuck. Like I don't think anyone says their nationality in their like thing.
Okay guys, we're back and
sure.
we're going to Roasty now because we were late to Pilates. If you guys saw the earlier video.
It's the same video.
Sorry.
You can tell it's our first time vlogging.
We mean like clip, guys. Oh fuck. Yeah, guys.
Just continue with it.
I'm trying to put my seat back.
I think they can see that.
So guys, it was really nice today because Varsha, I haven't seen her in like forever.
Yeah, she surprised us. So
And-
basically, she told us she's not gonna come to India. She's gonna just stay back in America. And then like I was sleeping, and then she woke me up like this. Bhavna, get up! And I got up and I got so scared. We have a different vlog for that guy.
Yeah, we will like upload the
we
clips.
have like all the clips. We'll attach it at the end.
So she was gonna come today afternoon, right? And then after she came, like I was just on bed, I was doom scrolling, I was texting my sugar daddies, guys.
Video again. Keep saying bullshit. Just keep going straight for now.
It's some censored shit that you guys can't know. So yeah, anyways, me and Bhavna, we were supposed to meet, right?
Oh, he's so cringe.
So
You're uploading that like good luck.
So me and Bhavna, we were
Where did he come from, bro?
me and Bhavna, we were supposed to meet today. So she was gonna come to my house at
I think you
3:30,
take the next one.
and I was just doom scrolling, right? So
I'm
when I
very
was
sure.
doom scrolling, Bhavna just yelled Pannu, and then Vasha came, and then I was like so shocked, bro.
Yeah, he was touching my face.
I could, yeah, because I wanted to see if she was real.
Yes, bro, where?
Because
In some time it'll
I
come
kind of
next
felt
one.
emotional also because it hasn't been like it's been so long since I saw her, right?
Wait, instead of going to roast, let's go to
And-
roast CCX in Banjara.
And like I hugged
What are you guys
her,
on?
and it was like kind of nice. Yeah, can we go to Rose CCX, bro?
She said she's coming to roast. Yeah, I told her.
Bro, Rose CCX is way better.
10 times better.
Okay, guys, so yeah, that's what happened, and now they wanted to go to Pilates.
You know, Roti's
But-
Roti's right next to CCX. Like you
Yeah,
can walk there on
we can
foot.
walk. Like it's like opposite.
Okay, then I'll go to roast. Just walk away.
But yeah, they went late. Oh, there's a steakhouse here.
Take a right.
So yeah, they were basically like really late, the class. So we didn't end up doing Pilates.
Yeah. We're gonna try to go to Obsession tomorrow, but I'm not sure if we're allowed in because we both are minors for now.
Also, they came really suddenly, so I just threw on whatever was on the top of my closet.
No, he did not.
I kind
No,
of.
this is
He planned
this is
the-
always what he wears.
Yeah, he planned the fit.
No, I didn't.
I wore such a nice fit, but I can't. I'll wear the same fit I go to Pilates next time so I can take pictures.
Wear it in Singapore. It actually looks good, bro. Like it actually
This is
look good.
workout outfits I can't wear in like my shopping. I have better fits, don't worry. I'm baking on now. Bro, I need a shirt from
We
you
should
that-
do a blind, mute, and deaf baking challenge.
We genuinely should.
We should. We'll do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Guys, stay tuned for that.
Remind me.
The other day I
Yes,
saw this
let's turn like
TikTok
that.
where it was like you have a cringe friend but you actually like love them so much. Am I
Yeah,
that
that's
friend? Thanks for loving me.
Okay, yeah, just like continue on that stuff. Cut another clip. Yeah.
Guys, cause censored shit keeps happening and you guys.
Someone in the front seat, we keep cutting our like clips. We just made it to roast CCX.
Show them roast, bro. I was trying to show them. I was trying to show you guys roast,
He's
and
so
then it
camera
just.
hungry. He doesn't let us have the
See,
camera.
that's roast, guys.
Okay, I put my hood back on so you guys don't look at me for a bit. Let's ask for a shit.
Alright, guys, we're here.
But
What
once
do
we
we
make
do?
her like a little bit more
Once we
famous.
give her cute little whoosh whoosh whoosh.
Okay, let's go. Let's
Are you actually pissed? Why? Do you hate us?
My stomach hurts.
Come, we'll go.
Let's get, like,
We'll give you some yummy food. I'm not filming. Guys, Bhavna is such a like.
I look at top, don't put this in the video.
Guys, we reached Rose. We're here, and there's a lot of people in line. We're currently outside.
Let's go to Rose Street.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go to Rose Street.
No table.
There's no table.
There's no table. Okay, I
Let
need to use the
ballet go.
restroom quickly.
Let the ballet go, bro. Give us. Okay, guys, we're gonna go inside.
Just go to the
Yeah, we're joining someone.
No, I don't think I'll let also.
Okay, we're inside, guys. Okay, guys, so Vasha's in the.
Also, we have to go to we have to go to Rose Street.
And we're just waiting here.
I really want to eat a pizza here.
Yeah, guys, Rose CCX food is like gas. Like it's
We're not allowed
actually
inside. Don't
like. Because there's no tables.
It's a club, by the way.
Hey guys, come to Big Bull.
I'm like getting over my social.
Guys,
public
I think
embarrassment.
Bhavna is getting like overstimulated.
No, I'm
or...
just embarrassed.
Oh, she's just embarrassed. It's fine.
If you
Guys.
had a proper camera,
But it's actually kind of a nice weather, guys. We'll show you how our like view is. Like not view, like we'll show you how it's outside. Wait. Guys, this is the weather. Like this is what we're like looking at right now. We're facing. So that's our view.
Table number? Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys. So we got a table, and we got a table. We didn't even wait for that long, but we just got a table, and we're gonna sit right now, guys.
5.
So Bhavna's coming.
I found seating in rows. So we're waiting for the menu and then we
Table
like order.
is so bad, bro.
Bro, at least we got a table, bro.
I didn't even have to call Dia. I was gonna call
feel
Dia.
like having a pizza, guys.
I was gonna call Dia and ask for like a table. Or I should just call Shashidhar, bro.
How will he have a...
He knows everybody in Hajj. Guys, Shashidhar is also one more partner in the club. So we were just gonna call
Why are you shouting
him.
out everyone you know, bro?
We were just gonna call him and
Okay,
ask
what
for
do you guys
table,
want
but
to
we
eat? I
can't.
want pizza. Is everyone chill with pizza?
Yup.
Varsha. Pizza? No, we'll see. Wait, give me 2 minutes. Huh? You're the one who's hungry.
Beef.
The only person we both have beef with is him. Bro, the thing is the lighting is so ass. We genuinely need a camera.
We actually need a camera.
Like, this vlog is fine for 24 but we genuinely need a
This
camera.
is like a trial, like time pass vlog.
Yeah.
But let me show you the
I
place.
video when I start speaking.
Okay guys, so this is the place. It's kind of cute, but like inside is like way better.
Do you guys want starters or just like the main course? Can you both answer?
Guys, rage with Bhavna. It's a really fun thing to do.
Bro. Okay, can you guys just tell me starters or main course?
I'm okay with anything.
Varsha, are you okay?
Bro, I kind of feel
Varsha?
bad. It's actually, like, sick.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want starters or do you want a main course? Pandu, will you split a pizza with me then?
Fuck this. Stop.
Trying to, yeah.
Okay guys, so we just figured out how to on flash and the lighting is kind of better.
Yeah,
That's good.
hopefully.
I missed her so much, bro.
Okay, does anyone want to split the
Okay.
pizza with me?
So honestly, I don't think you got the entire thing.
Oh yeah,
So,
let's tell
quick
everything that
recap.
happened.
Story time.
Yeah.
No, let's start since Varsha came back. Okay. So Varsha came back like yesterday early morning and she told none of us that she was back, okay? Right?
Bro,
and, like,
come bro.
We were
Come,
all
bro,
super
come.
sana, she wasn't there and I was sleeping. I had to pretend that she was sleeping and this is how she comes. She's like, oh, no,
I'm sitting outside. Come.
and like I get like super scared and like I couldn't process that it was her at that time.
No, there's sheds and
Okay?
everything.
And
There's no
like,
rain
she
coming
didn't
on.
give me time to process. She's like,
It's full
take
inside.
a shower right now. We have to go out. And then the whole day I was out shopping with her. We wanted to go to his house, but he was at school. So
Yeah.
And then tell you apart.
And then Bhavna was supposed to meet me, right? So she was like, I'll come at you. I was like, fine, I'm not going out, just come. And then I was just doom scrolling on my bed, and then she's like, Pannu. And then I was like, I looked back, and then Basha spawned.
I
And
have a
was like,
clip of it. I'll put it.
and I,
We're in front of Panu's house. And yeah, so now we're gonna fuck. Yeah, so now we're gonna surprise Panu. Yeah. Okay.
Pause this.
Bro, Panu, what are you doing?
Decide yet.
We need a couple of more minutes.
two people are coming. So.
Okay, so basically, Bhavna and I were supposed to go to Pilates class, like trial class, and so yeah, we went to meet Pankaj. So he was like, oh, let me come too. So he
I'm
tagged
very
along.
clingy, guys.
Yeah, so he came. And then after that, we started driving and then it started raining like crazy. So look at that. It's like raining.
And we're like in the
Yeah.
outdoor seating right now.
Right now, but yeah, it was raining when we were driving too. And I was driving and I never drove.
And it was the first time driving in the rain, bro. I was so scared.
Yeah, and there was so much traffic.
And there was like
And
this
then-
big ass slope, and if we drove,
Gotta go
like,
up.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, there was
Tell
like a
him over
really
the first
scary
floor.
turn. So I missed that turn, and because I knew the road and I thought I had to go straight. And Parvat was like, no, you have to take a left. So I was like, bro, are you sure?
Yeah,
and
and
then he was
Google
like,
Maps
yeah.
said left. So
Yeah,
we
Google
let's
Maps
go
said
left.
Yeah,
But it's a one-way street.
it was a one-way street. So I was like, what the fuck? And then after that, what happened?
After that,
that-
we
It took us into some random ass
we genuinely
tiny
wasted
gully.
20 minutes of our time.
Yeah.
And by the time we finally reached there was no parking. Okay? So we had to reverse back onto the main road, find a parking. And when we went in, we were 30 minutes late. So they were like, oh, you guys can't join now, just come another time. And our friends were already in there. So we just came to this place nearby.
And there was some
Food.
stupid ass slope near that Pilates thing, and we were all in it. It was so scary.
I'd appreciate if you guys decided what we're eating.
Can we talk about my driving skills right now?
Yeah, actually, I used to call Varsha an ass driver, but today she actually drove these.
She genuinely improved.
She actually like improved.
Improved,
I'm so proud
I'm
of
so
her.
good, I'm so
Loki
good.
9 out of 10. It would go to a 10 if she could park a little better, but that's it. 9
Actually,
out of 10 is really
I'd
good.
give her 10 out of 10 because that slow parking is like difficulty impossible.
No, they're definitely better drivers in the world.
Yeah,
You
okay,
can't say
fine.
10 out of 10. Yeah. Okay,
Gosh.
this is my 10th time asking, does anyone want to split a margarita?
I
want
said
to split.
okay. I said okay.
Oh, can we all share a brown sugar boba tea? It's so good. You're like so good.
The guys just want to order when they're here, they're almost here.
Yeah, we just wait for
Okay, fine.
Sanjana and Trisha, guys. Yeah, guys, we're just
And
waiting
like
for
Sanjana and Prisha are his friends, but then he introduced both of us to them. So like we're all
my
like,
friend.
My friends, you mean
Why
my
do you
friends.
say his friend?
I could just confuse them.
Okay.
JV,
So they're coming.
guys, I don't know, but there's this guy called JV, right? And we were in Goa. I asked him to call Sanjana Akka, and he would. Do you remember?
Yeah, that's
He
so
like
weird.
refused to call her Akka, and he
Because he
genuinely.
probably had a crush on her, bro. What do you want?
That's a crush that you want. Playboy.
Why are you
If you're,
exposing him?
if you're
This video is
watching
not
this,
going
hi.
anywhere.
Hi, bro.
But I'm gonna cut this part out, guys.
Hi, I like JV.
Okay,
Love
but-
you, mama.
I know you like him, but like maybe he doesn't want this information. Just with
He's my
our
homie,
10
I
million
guess.
subscribers.
10 million, guys. Why didn't anybody ask for a picture with us yet?
We probably won't vlog too much when Trisha and Sanjana come, so we're just trying to talk like right now.
She's embarrassed.
Okay, fine, I will vlog. But can we just decide what we're gonna eat? Like, can we just tell the camera? We're gonna get cheese pizza.
Obviously,
and
she
I want
can order
pasta.
for
we're
us.
gonna
I
get
want pesto.
Okay. Then we're gonna get a brown sugar boba tea, and then she's gonna get pesto pasta. We'll show you like clips of the food.
And then next week
Wow,
we're gonna
guys,
bake.
get money.
The food over, I'll pay for this. The food over there is like the desserts. They have like a whole dessert selection with like gelato selection and all. It's really good.
I have to tell my mom
Bro,
that we're
I
here.
came here like a week
Tell
ago
me how much
and
you pay so I can pay you
no,
back.
it's shit.
No, actually
No,
tell.
shit.
No, actually tell,
No,
bro.
but-
Guys, she always does this. She always keeps paying and she never tells me how much she pays
and
for me to pay.
You paid half of the time for me. Literally, even the milkshake we got last time, you paid and I didn't pay you back. So
Guys.
please stop. And if
Yeah,
anything,
Yeah, they went to get
the older,
milkshake without me.
the older
We
sister
actually
should
did a couple of
play.
things without her. We got a milkshake.
How rude.
We had fun.
So much fun. I'm sorry. Okay, how much? Okay. It's 6:10. We just ordered. Let's see when they get us our food. I think they'll get it at 6:20.
I think my allergies are starting to come, guys.
You know, he had tuition, but then he bunked saying he has a nosebleed.
Literally.
See, the thing is, we're filming on my phone and I can't use my phone, and these two are on their phone constantly. Ignored.
Kind of cute.
I wish I was. Okay.
I'm afraid to sing because I know I'm gonna get copyrighted because I'm that good of a singer.
Okay, guys.
Yesterday I had this ramen bowl and it was fire, bro.
I genuinely never had like actual
Yakka
ramen
made it.
before.
It was like gas.
The most excited thing I'm in for Singapore is a hot pot in like Chinatown. Because like,
Oh my god, bro. Bro, what
bro,
do
you
I
won't
say?
believe what just happened. Funny many people like running into somewhere else.
Guys, some crazy text I
No,
got.
no, don't tell.
I can't tell, obviously.
It's fine. It's okay.
There's no way. Can I stop?
Once the thing like gives us a better result, we'll let you know.
Basically, I can't
No,
speak
no.
about it now because we might.
Okay, we're back.
Oh my
Can I see the profile too? We let you guys
How many
know.
likes I
and,
have?
Like a blonde is crazy.
Okay, so guys, you can really see the duo in the trio in this situation, and I hope you guys learn sympathy.
Oh shit, this is not.
I hope you guys just give me a lot of sympathy and like help me grow.
Chance is calling.
started pranking our friends.
We're pranking our friends.
Prank. Okay, what do I say to this? I'll say I'll let you know soon.
Yeah, don't tell them what it is for us.
But the opportunity, I'll let you know.
Bro, this sounds so weird.
Should I put this?
Yeah, just go for it. Can you show me that person's profile?
Bro, we just need an account.
I'll make a TikTok account soon, guys. Okay, what's the time? It's 6:13. Our food should be
Some other time.
6:14. 6 more minutes for our food. Oh, they're here.
I'll show you some fine.
That's Trisha. Say hi.
And that's something.
That's Sanjana. Say hi. Yeah. These two went to the Pilates class that we got kicked out of, by the way. Say bye.
Bye. Guys, the food just came.
guys have post account. Yeah. YouTube? Yeah.
Thank you.
We'll make. 3 of you? Yeah. They're making.
Bro, we're gonna become the next Ha sisters. We live in New York.
Why are you calling yourself a sister?
I'm telling like we'll become
Can I
like.
do my introduction? Yeah.
Yes.
Take the phone. I love vlogging. Hi vlog. I'm really eating pesto pasta. Varsha drove 1 week.
I drove so hard
You
today.
actually surprised me. Does no? How did you get surprised? Tell.
We just finished pasta, guys.
Not done yet. And they got the pizza to the table and then they put it away. So. I don't think that's our pizza.
We don't know if we are doing sleepover or not.
Why you not coming? That was not our pizza.
I'm so excited to take a slash.
Yeah, it's
Guys, the pizza came.
It used to be.
Okay, we're done eating. We're going inside now. We're gonna go pay the bill.
Guys, we're going in now. They're going to the washroom, so I'm just gonna like stay here. These are all the things that are there. And now we're just gonna wait. We're going in the lift now. I was vlogging. We're in the lift right now. Guys, it's
play music. Yeah, but like we're not able to connect the Bluetooth though. Okay, fine. Can you please play Cocktail 2 songs so like you guys understand what I'm talking about?
I don't like it. Whatever you played, I didn't like.
It was so good.
I'm gonna play house music.
No, bro, he's trying to be cool for the camera. He does not listen to house music.
listen to house music.
Okay, name one house music song.
Black Coffee. He's my favorite artist.
Bro, okay.
Bro, do you guys want to know Black Coffee?
Bro, he also doesn't know. Okay, fine. Play house music. We'll pretend.
Oh, we're gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah, stop.
Wait, we'll just vlog and then listen.
No, I can just remove the audio. Just play it.
Okay, guys.
I'll remove the audio from this point.
50 minutes to our house and we're fucked. So we're just gonna listen to music now.
Yeah, and
So it motivates Varsha to drive.
Not that, bro. That's not motivating me.
exactly. Can you? Okay, fine. Play Telugu songs. Play
Bollywood.
Pushpa,
No.
Pushpa, Pushparaj.
And
I'll
Varsha,
stop it right
do you
now.
have a profile I can just put your playlist?
No, I can just play Bollywood, Telugu songs.
She's
can
become
sing
a little
too.
Hindi influenced by Delhi people, guys. Oh, where did this guy come from? Dude. What the fuck? Oh! Okay, so we just came back. Stop. Why would you push me?
I hate them so much.
So like we pressed 5th floor and we went up to the 5th floor, but suddenly it's dropping down.
It's not suddenly dropping down. She just forgot to vlog. So like she was like, oh wait. And then someone came, so like we came down.
So there's no one here. We're going back up. Okay, you vlog pa no?
We're going to Varsha's house, guys.
Because there was
I
so much
basically
traffic to
lived
go
there
to our
for-
house.
Yeah.
I lived here for like 2-3 weeks before, so
I lived here for max like 1 week, I think.
I stayed here for 2 weeks, so I'm better, obviously.
I'm way better than this. Beyond.
So this is my jacket, but he stole
It's
it.
actually mine, bro.
Look at the size of it, guys. It's obviously mine.
What do you mean? What do you mean this is my size? We're going right now. We're going to the house. We'll catch you guys once we're inside.
Yeah, because her grandparents are there.
Yeah, so we don't want to make it awkward. Okay guys, so we just came to Varsha's house and we're just planning Bhavna's birthday, right? So we were busy with that, so we forgot to record.
She fell asleep
Because of jet lag.
You think she can still hear us right now?
And Bhavna's just been on her phone and we're in Varsha's room.
Mom, come back and then we're gonna go to Panu's house and decide his outfits for Singapore. So
Yeah.
we like continue that.
Guys, I have the same guitar.
Even I had.
So yeah,
I played the
guys.
guitar for like 3 years.
Yeah,
I
same.
don't remember it.
Same. But guys, I love Varsha's mirror because it's actually like so cute. Wait,
Bro, Varsha's
See,
desk
guys.
is like so random.
this is so cute.
No, show them Varsha's desk. It's so random.
Bro, actually come here. It's actually coming cute.
Oh.
See guys? Yeah, see?
You're blocking. Okay, go, move.